Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MD Saif Ali Khan. Today in this video, we are going to solve a new DSA problem of Geeks for Geeks. Before going ahead, if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon so that you will never miss such types of awesome video whenever I upload. Okay, without getting late, let's start the video. Okay, first in first, we have to come on the Geeks for Geeks site. Okay, as you know, we are solving the Geeks for Geeks problem right now. Okay, so you have to come on the Geeks for Geeks site first of all, and here in filter section in difficulties level, we have to select the basic. Okay, we have completed the school level all problems, and we are here basic level. Then we will jump to the easy, medium, and hard. Okay, so and in topic section, you have to select the array. Okay, you can see here we have solved the multiple problem here. Okay, if you haven't watched the video from the start, I will put the link of the playlist in description box. You can watch from there. Okay, obviously you will if you will start from the beginning at the beginner level, then you will get more clarity. Okay, so today we are going to solve this problem, that is exceptionally odd. Okay, what exactly it is, let's deep dive into the problem. No, guys, first of all, let's understand the problem statement. Given an array of n positive integer, okay, where all numbers occur even numbers of times, okay, and except one number which occurs odd number of times, find the exceptional number. Okay, got it. Okay, if I take the example first, then we have given an array of 7 length containing element 1 2 3 2 3 1 and 3. Okay, and 3 is the element whose count is 3, that is odd number, so output will be 3. Let's discuss the problem statement on whiteboard. Okay, guys, we have given what exactly we have given. First in first, we have given an array. Okay, we have given an array containing element 1 2 3 2 3 1 and 3. Okay, and we have to return the element which come odd times. Okay, 3 comes 3 times. Whenever you then in your mind there should be a concept, okay, clicked in your mind, that is what exactly it is, frequency counting. Frequency counting. Okay, we will use this only. First in first, what we will do, we will use hash map. Basically, with the help of hash map, we will count every element in the array, how much times it occurs. Okay, what I will do, I will create a map, this new map. Okay, and then in map, I will count all the elements. 1 comes 2 times and 2 occurs 2 times and 3 occurs 3 times. Okay, then after that we will traverse on this map and we will check the count of 1 If it is even, then it is not our answer. The count of 2 is not even. Okay, if the count of 2 is even, then that is not our answer. If the count of the element that is odd, then it is obviously our answer. So we have to return this element. We have to return 3. Okay, guys, that is the approach. Now let's jump to the coding part. We will solve this problem in the code editor. Let's come on the code editor. First in first, here we have given an array and length of the array. What I will do, basically, we will just let create a map equal to new map. Okay, and I will traverse on the array, that is array, let I equal to 0 and I is less than n and I plus plus. Okay, if I will check if not map dot has array of I is not present in map, then what I will do, basically I will set map dot set this array of ith element with count 1. Okay, else if it is already present, then I will set map dot set array of ith element with the count of, first of all we will get the count, map dot get present count of array of ith element and plus 1. Okay, let's console the map what exactly. Okay, here we will console console.log map. Now you will see in map we have count of all the element. Okay, nice. You can see here that 1 is 2 times 2 is 2 times 3 and 3 is 3 times. So now we have a map. I will traverse on map for let key of map inside this. What I will do, I would like to show you what exactly it is key. Okay, so I will console dot log key. Okay, key is the array containing two elements, that is key and value. Okay, you can see here that 1 is the key and count is 2. So it is the array containing two element key and value. 2 is the key and value is 3. 3 is the key and 3 is the value. Okay, so now what we can do, basically I will just check if we have to find out the value. Okay, so if key of 1, okay, modulus 2 not equals 0, then obviously that is the odd number. Okay, so I will return key of 0, not 1. Why? Because we have to return key, not the value. Okay, So let's compile this and we will see what exactly is the output. You can see here output is 3 and expected output is 3. Let's comment all this console and run once again. Okay, I hope it will work because our algorithm is fantastic. Okay, so let's submit this and check it how much test case are there and just okay here 262 test case were there. All these test case has been passed. Okay, so guys, this was the problem statement. Okay, I discussed all this approach and I solved this problem. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you. Okay, if you haven't liked this video, please like. Okay, you should like because you have to means invest only 1 second to like. Okay,